Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Mahalakshmi Handloom. This is an exclusive wholesale and retail outlet of innerwear, shapewear, sari petticoats, legging, nightwear, loungewear, rainwear, winterwear, handloom goods for men, women, kids. This comes in a street called Hurriyat Pet near RT Street, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes in a complex called Poonam Plaza in second floor. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is this RT Street. So when you come to RT Street, this is a landmark. You can just check Manak Meva. So this is a landmark, Manak Meva. Right opposite to this, there is a street inside. You can just see that is Manak Meva. This is a street. You have to go inside this street, and the Google Maps is also there in description below. So just go a little bit further and his outlet is going to come. So when you come little bit further, you can just check this first left will come here. So you have to go inside this first left like this. So when you come little bit further here, you can just check. Here his outlet is there, Mahalakshmi Handloom. That board you can see, that is Mahalakshmi Handloom. So when you come here little bit further, you can just check. This is that complex, and in this complex, in second floor, you have to go. Mahalakshmi Handloom will be there. You can just see Ramraj, Rupa, Jockey, Pumex, and all these things you will get over here. Mahalakshmi Handloom in second floor. So you have to go like this. Lift option is there. Staircase option is also there. Second floor, his outlet is there, and you can just see you will get innerwear, Jockey, all leading brands, Ramraj, everything, Techno Sports, T-shirt, track pant for men, women, kids. You will get here. Exclusive wholesale and retail outlet, and here his outlet is there. You can just have a look. So their WhatsApp link, retail and wholesale link, their Instagram link, YouTube link, Google Maps, this all is there in my description below. You can go and you can subscribe to the channel over there. You will be getting regular updates. So you can just see here like this, lot of parcel comes, lot of parcel goes different parts of India. This is outlet Mahalakshmi Handloom. As I told you, they get multiple products here. So in this episode, the owner is going to tell you what and all. He's going to show basically winter wear like jackets, woolen wear, track pant, t-shirts for men, women and kids. They have one more right opposite to this. They have one more outlet. You can just see very big outlet, total wholesale and retail outlet. Number is on video screen. If you want any more detail, you can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all detail. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Punit. Hi Punit, welcome to my show. Punit, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
Sir, our store name is Mahalakshmi Handloom.
Okay.
Ours is 30 years old in Bangalore.
Okay.
And we deal in innerwears, shapewears, sari petticoats, leggings, outerwear, casual wear, and we also deal in handloom goods. So rainwears, winterwears.
For men, women, kids you get?
Men, women, kids, yes. Everything.
Okay, cool. How many years over for you in this business?
So it's already 30 years, sir.
Okay, and where and all your product goes?
So all over South, we cover entire South zone, as well as outdoor also it goes, sir. We export to Dubai as well.
Okay, and minimum how much they have to buy online and offline retail?
So retail is like they can buy for 2,000, 2 to 3,000.
Online?
And, yes, online.
Offline?
And, offline they can whatever is the amount, like they can come and
they can buy single piece.
Single piece.
What about wholesale?
So wholesale is at least minimum 5,000 rupees.
Online?
Yes, online 5,000
offline?
rupees. Offline, whatever. So 5,000, 10,000, whatever it is.
And wholesale and retail price is different?
Yes.
And what is the timing of your outlet?
It's from 10:30 to 7:30.
And what time to what time they can WhatsApp video call you?
Sir, after 12 o'clock.
Okay. So Punit, in this section, what and all you'll get here, since you have so many products here?
Yes. So here it starts with sari petticoats.
Okay.
So 7 part, 8 part, both are available.
Okay.
These are in cashmere quality.
Okay.
These are Ramraj shirts.
Okay.
So Ramraj shirts, Uttayam shirts. We have wedding collections. Okay. And these are winter wear collection.
Dhoti also will get?
Yes, dhotis also will get.
Okay.
And these are sari petticoat in poplin collection.
Okay.
These are poplin collection. These are domestic brand shirts.
Okay.
These are innerwear section.
Okay.
These are gym wears.
Okay.
Both we have like basic, from basic to premium collection. Everything you will get.
Okay.
These are undergarments, gents undergarments.
So you deal in multiple brands in undergarments?
Yes.
Okay.
Our major USP is we have maximum categories under one roof.
Okay.
And these are Turkey towels, imported towels. You will get everything.
Okay, towels.
Yes,
okay.
Towels. Then those are lungis.
Okay, lungis
checks
also.
Lungis. Yes, checks lungis. These are check lungis. Here, these are comforters.
Okay.
These are 5-in-1 bed sheets.
Okay.
You'll get also bed sheets and single bed sheets, double bed sheets. These are Jockey products.
Okay.
That side there is the innerwear section, vest section, and all these are dhotis.
Okay.
Dhotis starts from 65 rupees.
Okay.
Okay, you will get all range. They have all multiple colors. These are towels, cotton towels. These are shawls. These are dhotis. These are 100% cotton towels. There are maximum varieties. And then one more. Here is the leggings section.
Okay.
And these are Ramraj dhotis.
Okay.
So Ramraj had two categories, Vivegam and Ramraj. So Ramraj is the major one, and subsidiary brand is Vivegam. So we deal in major brands.
It's like a reasonable and premium, economical and premium range.
Yes.
And what about this section?
So here, complete outerwear and ladies innerwear section.
Okay.
So I'll start from here.
Okay.
These are nightwear.
Yeah. Okay.
These are nightwear night suits for ladies.
Okay.
These are outer garments.
Okay.
And here, this is complete ladies innerwear section.
Okay.
And those are undergarments. These are leggings sections. You can see the colors.
Okay.
We have in a single color more than 50 to 60 pieces anytime available.
You deal in techno sports.
Yes, techno sports. We have techno sports, Scorpion.
Okay.
We have imported bathrobes
Okay.
for kids, men, women.
Okay.
Everything you will get. These
Nice.
are all outerwears. These are t-shirt section.
Okay.
Shorts, boxers. These are shapewears, imported shapewears. You can see the t-shirts, all this techno brand. These are in kids we deal here. So we have Run Kids brand.
Okay.
Very economy range. These are imported innerwears here.
Okay.
All these are imported. These are t-shirts, leggings. These are ankle length legging stock.
Okay.
Anytime we'll have minimum to 15 to 20 colors anytime ready, sir.
Okay. Start here.
So these are winter wear collection for men, women and kids. We deal in all seasonal business, sir.
Okay.
We have rainwear. So rainwear particular season में जो आएगा आपको सब वो time पे मिल जाएगा, sir.
Okay. So Puneet, in this episode, what you are going to show? Which categories you are going to show?
So today we are going to show you outerwear and rainwear, thermal wear and winter wear.
Okay.
So
And
yes, who are going to this Kashmir, that side minus degrees, those articles will be showing, and daily wear, sir.
right now, what you are going to show? T-shirts.
T-shirts, yes. Men's collection right now.
Okay. And T-shirt, what price to what price it will start?
T-shirt starts from 125.
This for men's.
Yes, for men.
Size what we'll get?
Maximum size I am showing you, and sizes will be from S to XXL, 4XL, 5XL will get.
Okay.
So I am showing you the collection.
In this, you will get so many colors.
Yes, these are the colors.
Okay.
12 to
How
13
much
colors.
collections of T-shirt you have? Like 100?
Yes.
100 collections you
Yes,
have.
we'll get.
Okay.
So
This
these
which
are,
brand?
These are the Technosport brand.
So these are original
Cornflex.
Techno Sports. You can just see.
Yes.
And
Cornflex, new fabric introduced.
Techno Sports T-shirt starts from what price?
Technosport starts from 125, 130.
And see, all price are different. This is just starting price. And
Yes.
these are the colors. You can just see. These all are the Techno Sports colors. Packing will come like this.
Yes.
So the packing will come like this for Techno Sports. You can just see. And this collar T-shirt.
Yes, collar T-shirts in Technosport.
Okay.
See,
Can you
just
show
look
front,
at-
back?
Just look at the colors.
So many colors.
Yes.
So in collar, can you just show front, back? How many colors will get in this?
12 to 13 colors.
12 to 13 colors.
So
Okay.
this is the in cotton materials. Look at the size.
Very nice. Yeah.
Yes, with pocket.
Techno.
Yes, highly demand.
Okay. And so if anyone wants 100, 500 piece, you can cater.
Yes.
Okay. These are the colors.
Yes.
And this is also men's T-shirt.
Yes, these are men's T-shirt, printed T-shirt.
Collar.
Yes, matte cloth.
Okay. In printed and plain you have.
Yes, these
Right?
are the colors. Yes.
Cool. So these are the colors we are showing you limited because time is limited. That's the reason.
So these are the
Pepper.
sleeveless.
Okay. Sleeveless.
Yes.
Okay. In this, what size to what size will get?
Yes to triple XL.
S to triple XL.
Yes, look
Okay. Right now, what you are going to show?
So now I am showing you track pants,
Okay.
hosiery and lycra material.
Okay.
So this is the basic one.
Okay.
It starts from 185 rupees.
All
18
prices are
piece set.
different.
Yes, all prices different.
Size what will get?
L, XL, double XL, 18 piece set.
18 piece
So
set.
this is in Technosport.
Okay.
It's jogger fit.
Okay. Techno Sports starts from what price?
It starts from 200 chains. Sir.
Okay. Cool. So,
these
this
are
all
the
is Techno
colors.
Sports.
Yes, all these are Technosport. These are the colors.
Colors. Okay.
This is the jogger for trekking.
Cargos.
Yes,
Cargo jogger.
Yes, cargo jogger.
Size what will get in this?
All S to double XL.
And cargos jogger starts from what price?
It starts from 500 change.
And all prices are different
All prices
for
are different.
other cargos
Yes,
and all.
yes.
Okay. And then?
So these are the master sizes.
Okay.
You can just have
Oh,
a look.
big
All,
size.
Yeah, this is also Technosport.
Technosport.
You will get all the sizes in this from S to 5XL.
Okay.
These are the colors.
Colors. These are the colors. You
Yes,
can just have a
yes.
look. Cool. Nice.
So these are the export items, what I told you.
Okay.
I'll just show you. This has a front zip with elastic, with twine, 100% cotton.
Okay.
Standard length. You can just see the length.
Okay.
These are the colors.
Okay.
We have different categories in this one.
This
These
is also
are-
like track only, no?
Yes, it is track, but 100% cotton.
100%.
Yes,
Okay.
it is skin friendly.
Okay.
These are hosiery item.
Okay. Cotton.
Yes, hosiery. These are in jogger collection.
Okay. So how much variety, how much collections of track pant you are having?
More than
100?
200 collections.
200. Okay.
These are the colors in this one.
Okay. These are the colors. You can
Yes.
just have a look. Okay. So now what you are going to show?
Now shorts collection.
Okay.
So these are techno shorts.
Okay. It starts from what price?
So basic price starts from 125 rupees.
That's it.
Yes.
And size?
Size S to triple XL.
Okay. And
4XL, 5XL. We have also master size. So this is cotton with
Okay.
jeans look.
how many colors will get in that?
12 to 15 colors, sir.
12 to 15 colors. This Techno Sports,
Yes,
original
12
Techno Sports.
Yes, 5 to 6 colors.
And in this collection keeps getting updated in how many days?
So monthly it updates, sir.
Okay, monthly.
These are the hosiery collection.
Okay, cool. So basically you have all leading brands.
Yes, yes. This is 3/4 100% cotton article.
Okay.
With front zip, twine, everything will get.
Size what will get in 3/4?
S to triple XL.
Starting price?
Yes. Starting price is it starts from 125.
Right now what you are going to show?
Now women's collection I am showing you.
Okay.
Outerwear.
Okay.
So I am showing you the maximum size you will get from S to triple XL, 4XL, 5XL.
Okay.
Look at the size.
Okay.
And you will get 15 to 20 colors.
Okay,
You can
just show
look
me
at
the colors.
Look at the colors.
Starting prices?
Starting price is 75 rupees.
That's
the
it.
Basic quality, yes.
Wow.
This is the fine collection. You can just see the collection.
Pizza will also cost you
15 to 20
150.
colors. Yes, 15 to 20
Nice.
colors.
Size what will get?
S to triple XL, S to 5XL.
Okay.
This
Wow,
is
yeah,
round
nice.
shoulder.
Very nice tops. T-shirts. Nice printed one. Just see. How much collections you having? Like 100, 200?
Yes, 100 to 200 collections.
Nice.
Look at the size.
Very
Free
nice,
size,
yeah.
Pencil fabric, single jersey.
Sportswear.
So these are sportswear.
Wow.
Techno sport. You can use it for gym wear.
How many colors you will get in Techno? For
5 to 10 colors, 8 colors.
starting prices?
Starting price starts from 150, 160.
This all is Techno.
Basic, yes, these are techno.
Just show me once. So just see here. I'll just show you. This is a Techno brand only. They are dealing in all original. You can just see here Techno Sports. Okay.
These are the printed t-shirts.
Okay. For women.
Yes, women's.
Nice. How much collections you having in this like for gym wear Techno?
We have 12 to 15 collections, sir.
Nice.
And it
Cool.
keeps on changing.
And if people want in bulk, easily.
Yes, yes, yes.
The number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call, or call them. They'll send you all detail. If you want business, you want to start a new business, great opportunity.
These are
This
3/4. Full
starting
pant.
prices,
It starts from 125.
all prices are different.
Yes, yes, yes.
Size what we'll get?
So these are formal pants.
Okay,
Sizes it starts from S to triple XL.
Okay.
These are formal pants.
cool, nice. This is nightwear basically.
These are night wear.
Okay, multi-purpose.
Yes, yes, multi-purpose.
Okay.
These are shorts collection.
What size to what size we'll get?
S to triple XL.
Starting price?
Starting price starts from 125, 150.
Cool, man.
These are
Nice.
Techno 3/4.
Okay, this for ladies.
Yes, for ladies.
Okay.
Everything I'm showing you ladies.
Okay.
These are full pant in Techno.
Okay. What and all like in this? What fit you will get like?
Comfort fit.
Comfort fit.
Skin fit.
Okay.
Yes, look at this.
Ah, nice. This
These
all
are
is like
printed collection.
you can wear for gym. You can wear
Yes,
multi-purpose.
yes,
This is.
multi-purpose. Look at the colors, sir. Look
These
at
are the colors. Okay.
So these are in jogger collection.
Okay.
As I should show you in for men's. These are in for women's.
Starting
In Techno
prices?
Sport, it starts from 600 rupees.
And size?
Size starts from S to triple XL.
Okay.
So these are tencel fabric. These are Korean fabric, short nighty with side pocket.
Wow.
You can just feel the cloth.
Very
It's
nice.
excellent item.
Starting prices?
Starting price is 500 change.
Okay.
Look at the colors. All are pastel shades. Beautiful colors.
You have very nice collection here. Your wife will be very happy with you.
These are cord sets.
Oh,
Front-
cord set.
Yes, yes.
Nice. Starting prices?
Collar with button. It starts from 500 change.
Okay. How much collections you having in cord set?
In cord sets we have 3 to 4 collection. It keeps on changing.
Okay.
This is the basic one.
Okay.
And still basic you will get.
Okay.
It starts from 185, 200, 250.
Cool. Nice. Very nice collections you're having here. Like,
These are in single jersey.
nice.
T-shirts with shorts.
Okay. Cool. This is how much? This one? Like this?
Like
Set?
this it starts from 400 change.
And how much, what size to what size you will get?
S to triple XL.
In that
These are
one, how
cord
much?
set.
One 20, 30 varieties will get?
In shorts we have 3 to 4 collections.
Okay.
It keeps on changing. Weekly it keeps on changing.
Okay.
Next, these are in leggings. We have
Okay.
standard quality leggings.
Okay.
Look at the stretchable.
In this what? Straight fit, ankle fit?
Yes.
Start
Regular. Yes. Regular
starting
leggings,
prices?
chudidar leggings, and ankle fit.
Starting
Size
price?
starts from M2 double XL, and price starts from 155, 160. Depends on the quality.
Cool.
Look at this. This is the kurti pant, Lux Lyra.
Okay.
We have Lyra brand. This is the Anora pant. Anora formal pant. You can use it for formal and outerwear also. See,
Oh,
look at the
nice.
size.
Okay. Cool.
This is a shade card.
Okay.
You will get all 45 colors anytime ready stock. This is the basic one.
Plazo.
Yes, Plazo.
Okay. Starting
120
price?
125, 95.
What?
And
How many
multiple
collections you having in Plazo?
In Plazo, we have 15 to 20 collections. So now I am showing you girls collection.
Okay.
From 3 to 16 years.
Cool.
Look at the
Nice.
colors.
Very nice.
All these are branded one. Single piece box packing. Everything you will get in box. Okay.
Okay.
Everything a brand packing you will get. This is full sleeves.
Very nice. Yeah. Nice.
These are the colors. Just look at the color. Pastel, solid. This is a full pant.
Okay. You went to this business from
30 years.
30 years. Yeah. Oh, nice. Very
Look
nice.
at the color. Printed color. You will get plain also. Look at the color.
Cool.
3/4.
This is 3/4.
Starting price?
Starting price starts from 100 change.
Okay. Like basically in your outlet you get everything in terms of garments, so nothing is left.
Day to day use, everything you will get.
Very
Daily
nice,
wear.
yeah. And
These
the
are
quality,
shorts.
the colors, fabric is very nice.
Fine quality, we can assure you.
Very
Any
nice.
complaints, we are here for any time.
Personally, I love the quality of your products and all, and colors are also very nice.
This is the set article. You will get.
Collections is very nice. Yeah, your choice is very good.
This is 3/4.
Cool.
This is full pant set.
Nice.
You will get 5-piece set.
So one place if they come, they get everything.
Yes,
no?
yes, everything.
Everything they'll get. Like.
Our USP, major USP is under one roof you will get multiple categories.
Multiple.
This is 3/4 set.
Cool.
Look at the colors. You will get 5 colors. So these are leggings collection for girls.
Okay.
It starts from 2 years to 15 years.
How many colors?
Colors, 10 colors.
Okay.
10 solid colors anytime you will get.
Okay.
So these are boys collection. Now I am showing you the boys collection.
T-shirts.
Yes, t-shirts.
This is what age to what age?
It starts from 3 to 18 years, sir.
Okay, and starting prices?
Starting price starts from 100 change.
Okay. Can you come little bit front? Yeah.
These are in collar.
So basically all types of t-shirt you get.
Yes, yes,
round neck,
all
collar,
yes.
These are the colors.
Sleeveless t-shirts, round neck,
Okay.
colors, everything you will get.
Cool.
So these are tencel and drop shoulder. These are
Very nice, yeah.
highly moving articles.
Very nice. What and all fabric will get? Cotton?
So cotton, hosiery,
Okay.
tencel, single
Okay.
jersey, sports material. All these you will get. These are in
Full sleeves.
Yes,
Nice.
yes. You'll also get sleeveless.
So beautiful
colors.
collections here. So people who want to start business, they can connect with you. Or you are into existing business.
100%.
Okay.
See, these are sports collection.
Very nice.
You will get 5 to 10 colors.
This is what? Okay.
These are hosiery.
Okay.
You will get
Size
5
what we'll get in this?
Same from 3 years to 16 years. You will get from 50 to 75.
In this, what is the starting price?
It starts from 100 change.
All prices are different.
Yes. yes.
Cool,
This
very
is
nice.
jogger collection.
Very nice.
Colors.
These are
Colors.
the colors. Yes.
Okay.
These are the colors.
Nice.
These are sports, techno sport boys collection. I
Nice.
showed you t-shirt. These are the pants.
Starting prices?
It starts from
Colors.
200 change.
Okay.
Look at the colors.
Size what we'll get?
From
What
3
age to what age?
These are from 6 years, 6,
Okay.
8, 10, 12. These
Wow.
are shorts.
Nice.
Hosiery
Techno.
shorts.
Acha,
Yes.
hosiery.
No, hosiery shorts.
Okay.
These
Nice.
are the
Colors.
Yes.
Techno shorts.
These
Techno.
are techno shorts for
Starting
boys.
prices?
It starts from 200 change.
Okay.
The price varies. We have our basic collection also.
And people who are connected with you in WhatsApp, they'll be getting regular updates.
100%.
Okay.
Our WhatsApp channel I will be sharing you.
Yeah.
So these
that
are
link I'll
100% cotton.
put. Cool.
3/4 for boys.
Okay.
These we export. These are the colors.
Nice.
Printed plain you will get.
3/4 set.
These are in set collection. These are 3/4 set.
Nice.
We have 5 colors in this one.
Okay.
Single piece box packing with catalogs.
So Puneet, right now what you are going to show?
Now I am showing you the zero size collection, unisex. Okay, basic quality it is available, but now I am showing you fine quality.
Okay.
So look at this t-shirt. Look
Okay.
at the theme.
Colors.
Look at the colors.
Okay. Cool. Nice.
Don't हाथ में लेना.
Nice. This is unisex, boys and
Yes,
girls.
yes, yes, boys and girls.
Starting prices?
Starting price starts from 25 rupees. Basic
Wow.
quality. These are fine qualities.
25 rupees.
Yes. No. Basic quality.
Basic
starts
quality,
from- yes,
huh?
basic
This is
quality
not
starts
25,
from-
basic
no,
quality.
Basic quality. Yes.
All prices are different. Economical range, mid range, high range.
Look at the colors.
Okay.
These are 5 in 1 set.
Okay.
You can use it in winter as well.
Nice. Born baby.
Yes, born baby.
Okay.
2 pant,
Okay.
1 cap,
Okay.
1 top,
Okay.
and 1 napkin.
This comes like full gift.
Yes, gift set.
Starting prices?
Starting price starts from basic starts from 200 rupees change.
Okay. All prices are different. again.
Different, yes. This is the imported one.
Cool.
You can use it in 0 degree also.
Nice.
So look at the collection with attached shoes.
Cool. Nice.
Now I'm showing you the set one.
Okay.
Just look at the collection.
Nice.
We have many collection. I'm just showing the gist of the collection.
Puneet, in this section, what you are going to show?
Now I'm showing you winter wear collection.
Okay.
From
So what and all we'll get in winter wear?
You will get wind shaders,
Okay.
jacket. These are in kids one.
Okay,
So, okay, with fur, you will get fur.
cool. How much collections you having? 150, 100 in jackets?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
cool.
Look at the size.
Very nice, yeah.
Same here also you will get woolen inside.
What do you want to tell about the quality of these jackets? Because sometimes if price is...
There are no complaints in fine quality jackets.
Okay.
Anything, if you are purchasing basic, the qualities are as per price.
And someone wants 100, 500 piece?
Yes, anytime.
Okay,
So look at this, purely soft fur.
nice.
Look at
Very
the
nice
collection,
colours.
designer piece.
Okay, this for men's?
Yeah, this is for men's.
Okay,
Look at
this leather?
Yes, Rexin jacket.
Okay,
Even this one you will get in multiple colors available in this one.
okay.
So these are in regular one.
Okay,
For
cotton.
daily wear, yes, daily wear with hood.
Okay,
These are for boys, these are for girls.
okay, cool. So in men's, how much collections of jackets you having? 150,
Yeah,
100?
1500 collections. will get.
Starting price is what in men's?
Starting price is from 250, 300.
This for ladies?
Yes, these are for ladies.
Okay.
Same width for you will get.
Starting price you want to tell?
It starts from 300 change.
Okay, all prices are different.
Yes.
In this one, how much? 130, 40 collection
Yes,
will get?
yes. These
Okay.
are wind shaders.
Like for extreme temperature also you get?
Yes. For 0 degree also you will get.
Colors.
Look at the colors.
Cool.
All pastel colors you will get.
Nice.
And now I am going to show you the accessories.
Okay.
Look at the accessories. These are for winter accessories.
Okay, what is all this? Like,
These are warm slippers.
okay.
You can use it for home also.
Size?
Size, it's different sizes you will get.
What, it's unisex or like
Yes,
men?
unisex. It
Okay.
depends on the color, that's it.
Okay.
So look at this. These are kids.
In
one.
that, how much collection will you
Ladies.
get one?
Which one?
In those shoes?
You will get multiple collections, sir. It
150?
keeps on changing. Yes, sir. 10 to 15 collections every time it changes.
These caps, woolen.
These are
Socks.
warm socks. Yes.
Okay.
It has a pure leather resins.
Oh,
resin,
nice.
yes. Completely warm. These are gloves. You will get multiple collection in this one. Now I am showing you the
Your
thermal.
outlet is one hidden gem, yeah. Like so nice collection.
These are thermal collection for kids.
अच्छा.
So 0 डिग्री में कोई मनाली घूमने जाना है, कोई आउटसाइड घूमने के लिए 0 डिग्री टेम्परेचर में बहुत अच्छा चलता है.
साइज क्या मिलेगा?
इसमें बच्चों का पूरा साइज मिलेगा सर.
अच्छा.
0 साइज से स्टार्ट होता है. ये देखो लेडीज में ब्लाउज कलेक्शन है विथ बटन्स है.
अच्छा.
किसी को डिफिकल्ट होता है अंदर पहनने के लिए तो ऊपर पहन सकते हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है. ये मेंस में हो गया.
Okay.
You will get from size 75 to 100 size सब
In
मिलेगा
thermal
इसमें.
wear, what and all you will get?
थर्मल वेयर में अपने पास सिर्फ मटेरियल एक ही आएगा.
Okay.
इसमें वेराइटी अलग अलग है. स्लीवलेस है, कोई कुर्तीस पहनते हैं तो स्लीवलेस चाहिए, उनको फुल स्लीव्स नहीं चलेगा.
Wind shader.
दीज आर विंड शेडर्स. मेंस में विंड शेडर है ये.
Okay.
ठीक है. अंदर नेट आएगा. सो रेनी में भी यूज कर सकते हैं, ठंड के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
Raincoats.
सो दीज आर रेन कोट्स.
Oh, nice.
रेन कोट्स विथ टॉप एंड बॉटम.
Okay. How much is this starting price?
In this it starts from 400 change.
And all prices are different, right?
Yes. You will get
That
basic
is
collection
unisex.
also. Yes, unisex.
This is also very nice.
So these are heavy duty. Okay, if anybody is traveling Ladakh, something like that, for heavy range,
Okay.
these are the collection. This is PVC material, so these are all basic collection. Even these are branded one. So look at
Nice.
this. You get multiple colors in this one.
For ladies.
These are long raincoat, unisex.
Superb, yeah.
These are Aristocat brand. Brands, they have many brands, sir.
Nice.
So these are for school kids with school bag. You'll get school bag backside.
This, how many colors will get?
You'll get 10 to 12 colors in this one.
Okay. Size? Like,
Size from 0 to.
okay.
So look at this one. These are for 1 to 2 years.
Superb.
Full raincoats.
Basic.
And this is rain poncho.
Okay.
Basic one. It starts from 85-95 rupees.